Welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to advertise on your Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to advertise on Pinterest, you just simply have to open any of your browser and then open the pinterest.com site into there and log in your account. And in order to make an ad for your Pinterest account, you have to change your Pinterest account into business Pinterest account. Now, in order to do that, after opening the site, you will get this page. Now you just simply have to tap into this business hub and then you will get the option of ads. Now into here, you just simply have to choose this create campaign option. It says welcome to the Pinterest ad manager. Now you just simply have to select your country into here, and if your country is not available into this list, the advertisement feature is not available into your country. Just simply select the country and click to next button. Now you have to review and accept the advertising agreement of the Pinterest, and after reading you can click to this accept button if you like the advertising agreement, or you can withdraw the process if you don't like the advertising agreement. If you like the agreement, just simply click to accept. And now after coming into this page, you can either create a campaign on your Pinterest or promote a single pin from your Pinterest profile. Just simply select the option which is suitable for you, and after that fill up all the details as required, and then your ad will be created according to your preference and the budget that you have provided. By following these very easy steps, you can easily advertise on Pinterest using your desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.